Today, I'm sharing an easy 3-ingredient Japanese cheesecake recipe. Have you tried Japanese cheesecake before? It's a soft, cake-like cheesecake that is a mix of rich custard and light, airy sponge cake. It tastes very different than traditional Western cheesecake. This cheesecake is so simple to make and is cooked in the Instant Pot. If you're like many of my clients, you love cheesecake, and this is another healthier dessert option. I also shared a 75-calorie traditional cheesecake recipe that you can get from the link here. This Japanese cheesecake recipe only uses cream cheese, eggs, and white chocolate. Each serving, so 1/8 of the cheesecake, is only 133 calories. Make sure to cool the cheesecake overnight in the fridge to get the best flavor. Make this for your next party and impress your guests. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. For personalized coaching, to get you to your healthy eating and weight loss goals, apply for my elite weight loss coaching program at adriennerd.com or click on the link in the description below my video. Check out these other videos to get tips and recipes of healthy weight loss from me. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up, hit the bell button, and subscribe to my YouTube channel.